Do you believe in Wonderland? My name is Radovan Kianica. Come with me to this magic scrapbooking world. I have special key and creative drink for you. Follow me. Discover it with me. Now you are in Wonderland, where time has stopped. You can create here. You can relax. In this magic world, I will teach you how you can easily make pop-up album release. I will show you how you can create beautiful magic pop-up pages. We create this album from the base. Everything is possible because Wonderland is still here and it's always tea time.
Hello ladies, how are you? I'm Radovan and I'm in my studio in Slovakia. So what do you think that we can create something together? What about my new project, Steampunk Diver Album? I think we can create it together. I have video tutorial for this original project. I used gray board with this diver and also beautiful paper pad, mechanical sea world, and we can create some pages. You can open it like this, and some pocket with little book here. You can put there some photos and beautiful new products like glamour pastels, stencils and waxes. I'm sure that you can do it, and let's start create together. I hope you will like it. You think this is a little bit more complicated? I'm sure that you can do it. We can start together. Hi ladies, how are you? I'm Radovan and I am in my studio in Slovakia. Today I want to show you my new original project. Ta-da! This Steampunk Diver album. So, I hope you will like it. And if you think, oh, this is a little bit more complicated, so trust me. I am sure that you can do it. So, let's start together.
This is Provence, a beautiful land in France, with beautiful lavender. I've never been there. If you want, we can go there now with my new mixed media project. Bonjour, my name is Radovan Kianica and this is my new video tutorial when I will show you how you can create this beautiful lavender canvas. I want to show you how you can create this canvas from the base. We will use the beautiful scrapbook papers from the Provence collection, the aquacolor sprays, stencil, stems and paper flowers. I hope you will like it. Thank you very much for sharing. See you next time. Bye bye. Au revoir. We will get through and start together. I believe that you will like this project very much.